I definitely listened to the noise and believed the lies when I was younger. My coping mechanism was to be ashamed of who I was. So my ability to thrive really was put on a pause often because I was so consumed with surviving what I was going through. My name is Meghan. I'm a store director and I've been with Sephora for 17 years. I started my Sephora career as a seasonal beauty consultant. I fell in love with the environment. I loved everything about how you can just be yourself. I loved the culture, and I loved how Sephora really focuses on values. And I've stayed this long due to the fact that I love my team. I love my leaders, and they truly invest in me to ensure that I am able to pursue my future Sephora career goals. I was born in Seoul, Korea, and then I was part of the Asian adoption boom of the 1980s. I grew up in a Midwest suburb which was predominantly Caucasian. Growing up, I did not see any representation in pop culture. It felt like I just did not belong. Racism was a major factor in my story. I was ashamed of my eye shape because people would do this. I was ashamed of my skin, so I'd try to cover it up. I was ashamed of my hair. People don't realize that when you are younger, you don't have coping skills. I think in the past there was a stigma that we don't talk about our need to seek help and guidance to improve ourselves. And I think it's truly important for anyone who may have past childhood traumas to really be okay with seeking help to ensure we are the best that we can be for our future generations. How I identify now is by being an Asian American. I am proud of my eye shape. I'm proud of everything that sets me apart or makes me unique or different. I will always identify based on my heart and my values. That will never change no matter what. Yet I am no longer ashamed to be who I am, and I am no longer ashamed to look how I look.